Good morning, friends. I hope you are all fine at your home. Today, I have a new topic from this book. That book is Political Theory. In Political Theory, the third chapter I start because first two chapters we have already completed. Right? That was Political Theory. In the freedom was there. Next previous chapter was freedom. Right? Now equality. Equality means we are all equal. Means before the law we are all equal. We have got 6 fundamental rights. You, me, anyone of India, anyone in India who is a resident of India, he is residing as an Indian citizen. 6 fundamental rights. And even the Rashtrapati is also having 6 fundamental rights. So we are all equal. Law is equal for us. Right, and there is no discrepancies between lower group, higher group, this and that. So equality is there. Right. Now this chapter is about the concept of equality, a value that is all enshrined in a constitution. जो हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में दी गई है, क्या है वो? इक्वालिटी, बराबर. In reflecting on this concept, it examines the following questions. और जब हम पढ़ेंगे, whatever we will go on, then we will face this type of question. First question is, what is equality? Equality क्या है? Why should we be concerned about this moral and political ideal? हम इसके लिए इतने concerned क्यों हैं? मॉरल एंड पॉलिटिकल ऑर्डर को साथ मद्देनज़र रखते हुए. पॉइंट नंबर 2, डज द परस्यूट ऑफ इक्वालिटी इन्वॉल्व treating everyone the same way? I told you just now, treating everyone in the same way. We are all equal. We all are having it. When we attain the age of 18, we can choose our government, universal adult franchise. So we are all equal. Everyone the same way in our constitution. How may we pursue equality? Question here. How may we pursue equality and minimize inequality? This could be a question also. This could be a question also, that how may we pursue equality? हम इक्वालिटी को कैसे परस्यू कर सकते हैं एंड मिनिमाइज इनइक्वालिटी, और इनइक्वालिटी को कितना मिनिमम पे लेके जा सकते हैं इन डिफरेंट स्फेयर्स ऑफ लाइफ. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन दिस वन. हाउ मे वी परस्यू इक्वालिटी एंड मिनिमाइज इनइक्वालिटी इन डिफरेंट स्फेयर्स ऑफ लाइफ. हाउ डू वी डिस्टिंग्विश बिटवीन द डिफरेंट dimensions of equality? This is also another question. How do we distinguish? हम distinguish कैसे करते हैं? दोनों में कैसे भेद कर सकते हैं कि between different dimensions of equality, that is political, economic and social. Basically there are 3 types of equality or inequality. 3 main points are there. First is political equality or inequality. Second is one of the most important thing. Everyone is not in politics, but in everyone in life, economy plays its own role. Economics said you cannot eat money, but you cannot eat without money. That is economy. So economic resources are very important. And social means society. जिस सोसाइटी में आप रहते हैं, तो 3 चीज़ें, in these 3 topics there could be equality or inequality, and those topics are political equality and inequality, economic equality and inequality, and social equality related to society, or equality or inequality. In the course of understanding and answering these questions, we would encounter some important ideologies of our time. कुछ important ideologies को भी हम पढ़ेंगे. Right, and those are Marxism, मार्क्सिज्म क्या है, कार्ल मार्क्स ने जो उसके सिद्धांतों को हम पढ़ेंगे, कार्ल मार्क्स, right? Then we will go for the socialism. What do you mean by socialism? Marxism and socialism, do they have some type of similarity? Liberalism, आज़ादी की सोच, and feminism. So in this chapter we will see facts and figures about the conditions of inequality, facts and figures about the conditions of inequality. These are only for us to appreciate the nature of inequality. The facts and figures need not to be memorized. Facts and figure को memorize करने की जहाँ पे inequality होती है, इसको बहुत ज़्यादा सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Right, you should think that what are the causes and consequences only about equality and equality, in which affairs we are facing these type of equality and inequality. Thank you. Next will be in next video.